Just going to do a little update on my cold frame this morning. This is the small cold frame on the west end of the wall. This is the large cold frame on the east end of the wall. The reason I'm doing this update is because it is October the 10th. We've had several nights now of frost, including one night that got down to -3 Celsius. And as you can see, the melon plants inside are still growing. Now, I'm noticing here now in the last couple of days, they're starting to yellow. And these leaves are getting lighter, so they may die any day now. I could protect them more at night with a potted blanket or something over them, but this is what I'm looking for on this one. And that tendril right there, while it's still looking green, it's dying now. So now this watermelon, it sounds a little hollow, but he should be pretty much ripe, which is good because I'll be able to collect seed from him. And if we look down there, that cucumber is deciding it doesn't want to grow, I guess. I'm going to look through them now and see if there's any more cucumbers. I have two miniature watermelons. That one there, which should be good and ripe, that was the first one actually to get pollinated. And this one in here, many years ago, I got one this size to ripen. And once again, while that tendril there is looking green, it's gone hard, it's no life in it. These other tendrils are a little more flexible. Here's a cucumber that needs to be picked. Another cucumber. So it's October the 10th. Our first frost was 3 or 4 weeks ago. I can't remember. And I'm picking cucumbers. And I have watermelons growing. Oh, there's a big cucumber in there. I had a couple of cabbage plants growing. I have one planted there and another planted over there. You'll see what becomes of them. The watermelon plant is still putting out flowers. This is a honeydew melon, still growing. It set fruit really late, so that has no chance of getting ripe. Would be interesting to find out if it's edible. So when the plant dies, I'll take it in and see if that melon is actually edible. I still have some cucumbers that I'm leaving on the vine grow more. There's 2 on this one. And there's a couple on the ones further up. Now this larger cold frame, it's running a couple degrees warmer than the small cold frame at night, and then if the sun shines, the small cold frame heats up faster than the large one. But at night, it could be due to this window. So in behind there is a 25-degree basement, and it could be giving supplemental heat to this cold frame. If I want, I could open that window and actually have a heated cold frame here. It's October the 10th, 3 weeks after our first frost. The lowest temperature was -3 outside, and I just picked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I just picked 6 cucumbers fresh off the cucumber vine out of the large cold frame. Inside the small cold frame is a cantaloupe. There is my large one. If I zoom in, you can see that the stem is actually starting to come as a separate piece from the melon. It's a while before this melon is ripe yet, but he is probably getting edible now. It probably tastes good. I'm doubting whether I can get seed from it, but this is a seed collected from a store-bought muskmelon, otherwise known as cantaloupe. So I'm not worried. I'm going to buy actual named variety of cantaloupe for next year, and because I'm going to get really scientific at this and collect some proper scientific data on gardening here. This here is a smaller fruit. I have another fruit in there. So that's 3 cantaloupe. There's a little tiny one right there. He is probably going to be nothing. Oh, there's 2 more in here. So I'm very pleased with all 3 of them actually. I have a cantaloupe here, a watermelon, and a honeydew melon in the big cold frame. That's one. This one I'll leave. Let's see if it grows good. And here's yet another cantaloupe growing. Another cucumber to be left. I'll leave that one there for a while. Two more growing down there. Oh, there's one in here I'm going to get. So that's a small cold frame. 6 or 7 cantaloupe growing in there. And I just picked 2 fresh cucumber, October the 10th.